Do you suffer from ankle pain? Is it affecting your daily life? It's time to say goodbye to the pain and hello to a stronger, healthier you.
Hi there, I'm Dr. Janae Brown, and I'll be guiding you on this journey towards a pain-free life.
The beginning phase is all about introducing gentle movement to increase mobility and strength in your ankle. As we move into the middle phase, we start to intensify the exercises. But don't worry, we're in this together, and I will be with you every step of the way. In the middle to late phase, we are going to challenge your ankle a bit more. But remember, it's all for a good cause, because in the end, your ankle pain will be gone. And finally, in the late phase, we'll be pushing boundaries and maximizing your ankle strength. You'll finish this program feeling stronger and more confident than ever before.
Join me and let's conquer ankle pain together. Are you ready to take the first step towards a stronger, healthier you? Sign up for the ankle pain program today.